This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the basics that actually matter: power, input, and network. Plug the Chromecast into HDMI and power it with the included adapter so it gets stable current. USB ports sometimes underpower it. Once the TV shows the Chromecast welcome, change the TV input to that HDMI port. Make sure your phone or tablet is connected to the same Wi-Fi network and band as the device. This prevents discovery failures. If you see no welcome screen, try a different HDMI port and repeat. Now you configure Chromecast inside the Google Home app so casting works reliably. Open the app and choose Setup Device, then follow the pairing prompts. This establishes a secure connection and identifies your Chromecast on the network. Name the device and assign a room so voice and multi-device features function correctly. When prompted, pick your Wi-Fi network and enter the password. Chromecast may install a firmware update. Let it finish. Once done, the app verifies connectivity and shows the device as ready for casting. You finish by casting and optimizing playback so your viewing is smooth. Open a supported app, tap Cast, choose your Chromecast, and start content. This tests connectivity and playback. If video stutters, lower quality in the app or check your router load, and consider enabling guest mode for visitors without sharing your password. If casting fails, reboot the Chromecast and router. Confirm both devices are on the same Wi-Fi band. And as a last resort, perform a factory reset. These steps resolve most issues fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.